Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, there we are. Mike's new knife. This is a Cutco. They've been in business for over 70 years. And a lot of you have asked me about this new knife. And I'm going to tell you about it right now. Hey, Mike Foster here. This is the Cutco knife. I got a lot of comments, people saying, Mike, that's an interesting knife. What kind of knife is that? I got it as a gift. This was the box it came in. It's more than just a knife. First of all, it's got this serrated edge, so you can use it for any chopping and cutting. And I've been using it for chopping. I use it for sandwiches. But guess what? You can use it for a spreader. It's a spreader. It's a shaper for like doing cakes and different things. It's a spatula. You could use it as a spatula. I'm not going to use it for eggs, but you can use it for a spatula for flipping things. You can use it for mixing, and you can use it for serving. It's like 5 knives in one, but it's sharp enough, and this blade stays sharp. It's sharp enough to use for all my dicing, all my chopping, but especially for sandwiches. And you know, I'm Mike Foster, the Sandwich King. Now look at this. This is an ergonomically correct handle. It's easy. It's just perfect for your hand and for chopping, as you can see. And it's got an extended, the blade goes all the way to the end, which gives it balance and strength. That means this knife will probably last a long, long time. In fact, there's a lifetime guarantee for sharpness. If this ever gets dull, the company, Cutco, will sharpen it for you for free. I mean, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? So this is Mike's new knife. The other thing, it's got a wide blade so you can put engraving on it. And if you can see, shout out to my real estate agent. I don't know if you can see him, but that's where I got this from. It was a gift from my real estate agent when I closed on a house. And I mean, besides the fact that I gave him thousands of dollars for his commission, this was a nice little gift. It's a good knife. I just started using it. It's called Cutco, Mike's new knife. Check it out. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Well, it's a Cutco, and I'll tell you. And in fact, on one of my videos, I think it was my salami video, I used it for flipping. Maybe I didn't. And then, let's just hold it over like this. You know, you could shave with it too. I've been shaving with it. I actually brush my teeth with it. Ow. That's not Sweet Babu. And I've been combing my hair with it. Baba. And I use it to trim my mustache. And my nose hairs. Okay, I'm never going to use this for a sandwich again.